so which one of you whales is controlling the market?
No, it was him, I swear. Let's get him, guys.
Kick it!
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do an update on MENApay today. It's been a while, and there's definitely some news that I need to go over for me personally, which is also for you. First, I want to say thanks for everyone who's been watching the videos and liking them. If it's your first time on the channel, please hit the subscribe button and try to get 2 or 3 videos out a week. And hit the like button right now. Just scroll down, give it a crush the likes, and then we'll get into to MENApay. First, just need to go over. Not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research for transparency. I am part of the team for MENApay. Very low level of the team. There I am. But let's hit this. First, we'll go to the roadmap and look at what's supposed to be going on. January 2019, pre-ICO startup and mobile payment app launch. This has happened. Being part of the team, I've been asked to beta test the mobile app. I have. And it's a beta test, so it's usually clunky and doesn't work right. I have not had any problems with it. It's been really smooth. It's going to be a short video because it's just very easy and it's very simplified. The only thing that happened, it took me a while to get into test because I'm in the U.S. I'm a U.S. citizen, so they didn't have U.S. phone numbers as part of the app. So it took them a while. It's one of the things that betas are for. We fixed that. Fixed a couple other little things that was giving me some trouble. But that was a big one. There were some countries. They had a ridiculous amount of countries. If you look on the video I made, they have Antarctica. They had Antarctica, but not United States of America. It was a little frustrating. But after a little bit, they got it fixed for me, and I was able to get my my beta account set up and get the testing done. I had to record it on a phone. It's a phone app, obviously, so I had to do like a screen record. It's the first time I'd done it, so I couldn't really blur stuff out, so I had to cut out stuff so everybody didn't have my phone number and can text me weird pictures and all. So it's a little choppy, but I'll go ahead and play the video and tell you what is going on in it. Let's go over there now. Okay. Like I said, I recorded this on my phone, so it's the first time I'm doing that. So I'm gonna have to like pause it. I'm watching it on the video, so I'm kind of narrating what my video is that I recorded instead of narrating while I'm recording the video. So it's gonna be a little weird, but first thing is you open the app up. It takes you through these few screens. One thing is really impressive is that you'll be able to use the MENApay app to send payments and send MENApay, MENAcash back and forth using a QR code, like if you're in a store or cafe. But you'll also be able to send that via phone number or email or username, which is really cool. So let's go on. There's only like a couple little opening screens. And I think this is the only time you see it. This is the only time I saw it is before I actually did the setup. You don't need to worry about multiple currencies and long settlement times. Super fast chain. The settlements are very quick, which they're going to have to be because this is going to be for real use. Then we go here, which I couldn't blur stuff out, so I'm gonna have to this is gonna be like all chopped together. First thing is you sign up with your phone number because it's an app. They have the United States now, which they got that fixed. They had tons of different countries. They even had Antarctica, but they did not have the United States. But they got that fixed. I got everything signed up. After you put in your phone number, and you have to get a code texted to you, and then you put in the code that you verify your phone number and all that. Then you get your account partially set up, and you go to the proof identity. Then you got to send a some kind of identification picture, driver's license, passport, national ID, and then you record a little video of you holding it. Then you're going to pick your passcode. The passcode is just like a 6-digit PIN that you're going to have. That's actually going to be your password. When it asks for your password when you sign in, it's not a password that you set a password too, but you don't use that when you sign in. You use that PIN number. Then it takes you to this, which is kind of cool. It's your backup information. It's your words. You can take a picture, a screenshot of it, like I took a screenshot of it, or you can write it down, and then you proceed. You have to verify that you did it. Then it takes you into your account, and you're gonna have to do a verification, which your email, and you do that video that I told you about. Okay, it's just a video you hold in your ID, like about 3 or 4 seconds long. Now we're gonna look at the account real quick. You open it up. You have your main wallet, and then you can go over to this little dot here. You just spin this. This is all touchscreen stuff because it's your phone. You spin that, and it gives you an option to have another wallet or set another wallet up. You can see my account verification is pending. You have send MENAcash, buy MENAcash, which you can buy it at different locations. There's also actually a map connected with GPS to show you all the locations around you. Receive and pay, and then the transactions. You can use your phone to scan barcodes, locations, and your settings. All right, let's run through this. There's the add new wallet. There's the main wallet. There's 10,000 MENAcash in my account. You can buy it with a wire transfer. Go to a reseller, like I said. Then you can, like I said, it'll show your location. You can click to allow. You can click to allow. There you go. Then zooms in on where you're at. There's no resellers around me because I'm in the United States, in the middle of Texas. But you can go over to your merchants that take the MENApay or MENAcash, and then the resellers. Or you can do a wire transfer. It's a beta, so nothing's really going through. So I'm going to go ahead and buy $5 worth of MENAcash and proceed. How long does it take? Bam, that was created. A SWIFT is created. Now I go back to the home page. Now I have a pending transaction for $5 worth of MENAcash. And you can go to your transactions. There's all completed, pending, and cancel. There's the MENAcash purchase for $5, and there's 19 minutes ago when they deposited 10,000 MENAcash into my account. Then I clicked on the locations down at the bottom, and that shows you, like I said, all or your merchants, your resellers. It's the settings, account verification. Now this is a cool thing right here. Let me stop this real quick. You can set up your ID and your Touch ID in your facial recognition, but whereas you can always check your rescue words, so it's not like they're lost forever. You can always, once you're signed in and in your account, you can go back and just and get them again. You can set up your 2FA. A lot of cool stuff. Your profile settings and all that's right here. All right. Go back to the account. Now we're going to add a new wallet. It's very simple. You can just put in the name. I did this at 5 o'clock in the morning and had not slept, so I started to put my name in, but it was secondary, is what I actually meant to type in there. So created a secondary wallet. Done. Create. That's it. It was that fast. So now I have 2 wallets. I have my $10,000 main wallet, 10,000 MENAcash, and then 0. You can still create more wallets, and you just spin them. Now I'm going to send MENAcash. You can send with a QR code, email address, phone number, or like I said, username, or to my other wallet now. I'm going to send it to my other wallet. So I'm going to click on the sender wallet is going to be my main wallet. The receiver wallet is going to be my secondary. And I'm going to do 1,500 MENAcash. And let's see how long it takes. Bam, done. Now there's a transaction receipt. Just remember that. Now, bam, now I got 1,500 MENAcash in my secondary wallet, 8,500 in my main wallet. That quick, that done. If I was sending to someone else, it'd be the same thing. Okay, now I can go to my transactions. There's all my transactions. If I click on completed, I would just see the ones in green and sending it. That $5 is still in a pending. All right, now go back and I think that's it on this, and then it's going to start when I logged back in, like a couple hours later. Check my verification status, still pending. Got 1,500 still in there in my secondary wallet. Now I go back here, just once again, completed, pending. Now, see down here, I can share my receipt. If I click on that, it's going to give me the option to, let me go back on that, just because it was pretty cool. If I click on that, I click on share my receipt. Now I can message it to someone, I can copy it, save it to Dropbox, I can save the image of it, I can email my receipt to someone as proof that I sent them the MENAcash. I could post it to Facebook. But it gives you all those options there, which is pretty cool just from clicking on share your receipt. And there's my the 1,500 I sent from the main wallet to the secondary wallet. There's a secondary wallet wire receipt. Now here, I can click repeat this transaction, which is going to save me a little time. It doesn't send 1,500, but it does, which it would be annoying. It actually, but still populates the wallet sent from and the one it's going to. So I'm going to send another 500 to my secondary wallet. Bam, it's done. So now I should have 2,000. Yeah, I got 2,000 in my secondary wallet and 8,000 in my main wallet. That quick, it's done. You can see how fast this chain is. It's amazing. This MENAcash and MENApay is really gonna change the game. Now I go to my transactions. They're all there. If I click on, there's a 10,000 when it was originally deposited. I think I might hit that by accident. There's the five. Now this is the $5 purchase is still pending because I'm not actually doing a Swift pay. So I'm going to cancel that transaction. Boom. That fast, it's done. Now I can go up here to the top. I can click on completed, and it'll show me just the completed transactions. All those. I can click on pending, and there won't be anything because I canceled that one. And if I click on canceled, there's that $5 purchase of MENAcash that's canceled. Now, since it's a completed transaction and it's canceled, I can share the receipt. If you'll see, we'll go back here a little bit. Now there's pending, nothing, and then canceled. There's the purchase. Now see, I can click here because it's a completed transaction. It's been canceled. It's no longer pending. So there's no receipt when it's in pending because it's not done. There's nothing completed. It hasn't gone through and it hasn't been canceled. But now that I've canceled it, it is a transaction that is done. It's been canceled. It was started and it was canceled, so it's over. So there's a receipt for that, and I can pull that up, and then I could share it and send it, copy it or whatever. And then there are all my transactions right there. My fingertips still 8,000 in my main wallet. That is pretty much it as far as the MENApay app goes. Like I said, it's really, really simple. There's not a lot to really go over. It's laid out very, very user friendly, very, very easy to use. All the features are just right there at your fingertips. It's amazingly fast. If you have any questions on it, or you want me to get with the team and answer anything, just hit me there in the comments. I appreciate the likes, appreciate the views. Like I said, if you want to know anything more, just hit the comments. The app should be out pretty soon. I think the beta testing is going to be wrapping up here pretty quick. You guys take care, and I will see y'all in the next video.
Kick it!